Hi friends, welcome to another extreme cleaning video. This one is going to be of my absolutely disgusting fridge. Look how full this is. It is so gross. There's stuff that's built there a while ago that I have not cleaned up. And I mean, it's just complete packed full of stuff and a lot of it is probably expired. So there's that. And then here is my disgusting freezer. I am going to conquer this and you're going to come along with me and we are going to clean this out and hopefully get it looking really good again. These are all the stuff that's just in the fridge, not the freezer part, but just the fridge. Yeah, it's it's crazy. I have a big variety of a bunch of stuff. This stuff I need to just dump out in the sink. Clean that out. We got all of these. This I got yesterday. I was saving it for today, so I'm not getting rid of that. But yeah, got all this. This is my dad's basket of his own personal stuff. Got stuff in here I need to go through and there to go through. Yeah, I mean, I did throw away some things that were inside the door because those are the forgotten things if they're not like sauces and stuff or condiments. So I did throw away some things. I'm going to go through this stuff and see what I need to throw away, if I need to throw away any of this. I have a feeling there's going to be some things on one of these or both of these that I'm going to have to throw away, but we'll see. I definitely need to clean it out. You guys gotta see how nasty this is. I'm so embarrassed by this. Look, that's so gross. Like the forgotten stuff got all nasty and moldy and gross. That's so embarrassing. And there's a spill that just did not get picked up. Whoops. I think it just spilled underneath things and it sat there for a while. So I'm going to scrub the crap out of that, get rid of that, and clean that out. And then I need to work on the freezer. Ugh. Alright, so I'm going to use my favorite method, heavy duty degreaser spray, to get all the yucky, grimiest stuff out of my fridge. I feel like this thing really works quite well. And now I'm going to put this cloth, I have it soaked in really hot water, and I'm just going to have it sit on the most grimiest spot in the fridge to hopefully help pick it up a little easier. And now another little rag that is soaked in hot water, I'm just going to use to scrub all the other stuff off of it. This is so nasty. So I cleaned off that same rag and I put it in hot water again just to do another wipe through. Now to scrub the shelves. I already did the other one. I'm just going to show you one shelf and one drawer just so it doesn't take up too much of your time. Alright, so it picked up about half of the grime that was on this shelf in the fridge, so I'm just going to add some Dawn Platinum dish soap and scrub the crap out of this. Hopefully it gets it all off. Looks like it's working pretty good. And now I'm just going to wipe it all off, all the yucky stuff that's just sitting there with this rag. So much better. Oh my goodness, it's so much better. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. I need it. And now I'm just going to take the Caldrea spray and spray down everything inside of the fridge and do a good thorough wipe through just to get any extra stuff out of there. So here is the yuckiest drawer. I wanted to show you guys me cleaning the yuckiest one. The other one wasn't too bad, so I cleaned that up really quick. But this one is really gross and yucky and grimy, so I'm just gonna scrub the heck out of this and get it all nice and clean again. All clean now. Now just to dry it off with a clean towel. All right, now I got the drawers and the shelves in, and snap! It's all put together now with the food. I have it as organized as possible. I actually did not have to throw away too much. So I got the drinks on the top, and then the middle drawer or middle shelf has the kids' snacks and juices and some eggs and yogurt. And then the bottom shelf has a lot of my dad's stuff. And then this drawer has meat and tofu meat in there. And then this drawer has cheese and also the Daiya vegan cheese. And then here's all the condiments. I really had no other place to put the condiments, but at least it looks a lot better. There's nothing in that. Yep, so much better. Now to work on the freezer. I honestly cannot believe this much food could fit in this freezer. It is so tiny. All right, this is how bad and gross it was underneath all the food. Just spilled food in there. It's just really gross and grimy. I need to get it all cleaned up badly. All right, here's all of the food. I honestly still cannot believe all of that fit in that tiny freezer. All right, back to using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream on the grimy areas just so it can get picked up a lot easier than if I just sprayed and wiped. And because in the freezer the grime is more stuck on, I'm going to be using one of those metal Brillo pads, I think they're called, or SOS pads, just to scrub all the grime off a lot easier. now to use the rag again, I did clean it off and soaked it in hot water again just to get all that yucky stuff off of there, and I will be going in again to spray and wipe just to make sure all of the yuck is off of there. Alright, I'm using the Caldrea spray in the freezer also, and just gonna spray all over the place and then wipe it down with a clean rag. Wow, I cannot believe how clean I got this freezer. I am so shocked. It looks so much better. And snap. All right, now I got all the food in here. I did not actually have to throw away much either, which I'm really proud of. Right here, I have the easy snacks, lunches for the kids, some tater tots, and this pinto bean and cheese, it's actually vegetarian, is really good. And then there's some extra bread I put in the freezer just so it doesn't get moldy fast. And behind this big bag of Sonic ice, I have just bags of frozen vegetables. And then I have my whipped topping, and then behind that I have some chicken patties and panko chicken and some fish, and then I have my bag of frozen sliced bananas for my smoothies. It looks so much better. I'm so proud of myself. Yay! Thank you so much for watching my extreme cleaning of my fridge. I hope it was very motivating and fun, and like always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!